Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a drone tour of the Duhaney Park Plaza. Now this plaza was recently renovated. The straight ahead that was a Shoppers Fair. That building was actually demolished and rebuilt. And the stores you're looking at straight ahead, those are new, they were just put in. So we're going to take a tour of this plaza. It's located off Washington Boulevard. That road you're looking at in the background, that is Washington Boulevard, one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. Now this plaza is ideally situated because it is in the Duhaney Park area, which is one of the largest neighborhoods or communities in Jamaica. So this plaza it's very successful, and it follows the rule that you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. One, it's built in a populated area. The Duhaney Park is very populated. Across the road is Corville Gardens. Up the road is Pembroke Hall. And you have a lot of other communities. There are a lot of neighborhoods or communities off Washington Boulevard. And also, this is the last plaza you will come to before you get on to Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica. The second thing you need for a successful plaza is a brand name supermarket or a large supermarket. And this plaza has Shoppers Fair in it. So Shoppers Fair is a larger supermarket chain in Jamaica. And the third thing you need is food stores. And this plaza has restaurants, and it has a tasty patty location called Belly Bus. So it has everything you need for a successful plaza. And it has a gas station, though the gas station looks fenced off, so I'm not sure if that is considered a part of the plaza, but you can access the gas station from the plaza. Alright guys, so enjoy the tour of the finished Duhaney Park Plaza. And straight ahead behind the gas station, that's the Duhaney Park neighborhood.